Holy shit. That's a clean ass movie. What is up, guys? It's your boy zlowdre here, back at it again with another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. So today I really have nothing planned for this video, but I made a promise to myself to give YouTube like my 100%. I've been lacking a lot. Like, I post every once in a while. I honestly hate that because I honestly love doing this kind of video. So I'm just gonna try to bring you guys content with anything like putting car parts, races. I'm still gonna go to sideshows. Obviously that I love going to those. So starting today, I'm gonna try at least to post like 3 videos a week, maybe 4, hopefully. And yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll catch you guys right now. Alright, first things first, guys. I'm still running this burners on my car, so I'm gonna watch. I'll show you guys. Hold up. Alright, so I'm gonna be putting these tires on this rims right here, which are my original rims. But look how bad this shit is. Burn it one time, they said it'll be fun. Yeah, it's just done as fuck. So we're gonna do that right now and put the rims on the car. Yo. While I was trying to put this wheel on, I smacked this and broke it. Look at that. Jesus. Oh hell no. If anybody knows how to, where I could buy another part of this, comment down below. This shit sucks, dude. It looks ugly as fuck. Alright, I got the tire installed. Finally, so good with me. Wow, this shit's still bothering me though, bro. Jesus Christ. No. Alright guys, got them on. Fat difference. I love when I have these rims on. I hate the other ones, but that was just for fun. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna put the brightness up. Sheesh. Unacceptable. So we're gonna watch these bad boys right now. Alright guys, this 350Z bumper is done. Look at this shit. Oh god, look at it. I hit it. Look at that. I hit it when I was coming back from the store. Yeah, well, long story short, I hit a little curb when I was parking, and this thing was already coming off. Now that every time I drive, every bump that I hit, it just like came out more loose, and then right now I just fucked it up. So I'm gonna be taking this shit off and running with that bumper, and yeah. And yes, I was running my bumper with zip ties. Don't hate on me, but fuck it, it was working good. Look at that. Well, this side is fucked up, man. Oh well. Alright guys, this is how it looks without the bumper. But I think I'm gonna take the bar out right now. So I know it's unsafe, but I don't like how it looks, honestly. So I'm gonna take it out, but yeah, look at it. I'm gonna show you guys. These are pretty easy to take off. It just has 4 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other side too. There's some bolt time and boom, it's off. Oh my god, wrong gear. What the fuck? Granny. I want the second to fifth. That's fucking embarrassing. Alright guys, this is how the bumper looks as right now. It doesn't look that bad. It's alright. I do definitely have to clean my intakes. They're a little dirty. It's all good. It's alright. I like how it looks. I'm not gonna lie. I am gonna have to put my bumper back on like in 2 days, because it's gonna rain. So and you guys know how when it rains you can't have those open. It'll fuck up your whole engine. But so since it's gonna rain like a day or two, I'm gonna be drifting my NISMO. It's gonna be fun. I'm just gonna have the GoPro on, drift the whole day like that, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. But yeah, let's get back to the car because I have to tell you guys something. So let's go. Alright guys, first things first, I gotta thank you guys so much for the support you guys have given me lately. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers. Let me check. 2,855, almost to 4,000. It's honestly so crazy to me because I never thought in a million years I would hit like 1,000 subscribers. Now that we're gonna hit 4,000, it's so crazy. Make sure to subscribe right now if you're new to the channel. I'll be making crazy car videos daily. Alright, like I said in the beginning, I'm gonna give YouTube my 100% this time. Like no slacking off or anything. I'm gonna be uploading 3 or 4 times a week, and let's see where YouTube takes me. If any of you guys want some stickers, comment down below, because I'm not really sure if I'll print them out. It just probably won't sell or nothing, you know. But if you guys want some, comment down below, and I promise you I'll make a lot for you guys. So you guys never give up what you want to do. I'm one of those persons that is always unmotivated and do stuff. I'm always scared to do something new, but I'm gonna say fuck it and just do it. I don't want to die tomorrow, and just knowing the fact that I didn't put my all into YouTube, what I want to do actually. Yeah, like growing up, I've been struggling my whole life, so I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I've been struggling my whole life. There's really nothing to lose just doing this, you know. I love doing YouTube. I love making videos. I love making car meet videos, sideshow videos, takeovers, fucking car parts, all that, everything car related. I like making videos. But whatever you guys want to see, comment down below, because I'm gonna listen to you guys this time. So I'm still gonna make sideshow videos. I'm not gonna lie. I'm still gonna make some. I love doing that. But any other videos you guys want to see, comment down below and I'll make sure to do them. Alright guys, as always, if you're new to the channel, subscribe and like this video. Sorry for this video being a little too short for that. I'm gonna put some races of my GoPro. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As always, make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll catch you guys next time. Late. Ready?
Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas and shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, that's